Hello, I'm Sam from Great Northern Docks. And one of the things that my dock company does is a site survey for many of the jobs that we build and install. And for many years, that's something that I've done for my customers, is I show up at their property and I do what I call a site survey. And the site survey is where I assess the waterfront situation, I measure the depths where the dock is going to go, and I make sure that the dock that the customer wants is going to fit the situation just the way everybody expects. Well, for many years I did that, but in the last few I've been handing the work off to my son Gabriel and my baby brother Seth. The two of them both go in different directions and they both do site surveys on their own. Well, I'm kind of curious as to just how they're both doing. I think one might be a little bit better than the other. And today, I've got them both here, and I want to see who's really the best site surveyor.
There you go.
All right, let's get them over here.
Appreciate it.
Get over here.
What?
All right, listen up. This is what we're going to do. We're going to start a site survey here off this beach, both of you. And the one who gets it done without any injury, without flaws, and gets it done the fastest is the best site surveyor, okay? So let's get started. You're both gonna untie the canoe from the roof. You gotta carefully take it down, wearing your life jacket, take your measuring tapes with you, and you head out there as quick as you can, and you're gonna start at the shore, measure every 10 feet out to 75 feet of depth, okay? Get it all recorded, and return back to shore, put those canoes on the trucks, tie them down, and then you're done.
So, I think my method is going to be quicker than yours of tying, because I have straps.
I have ropes.
You think ropes are faster. I think straps are faster.
I'm American Red Cross certified in the fundamentals of canoe, and I learned that not.
You did not? You cannot?
I cannot.
All right.
I guess I can.
Nothing's tying you down.
Just you.
All right, well, let's see.
So remember, you're being timed. On your mark, get set, go.
Gonna need you to hold the tape. Popped out a rib.
Stuck.
Oh, jeez. Whoa! Oh, come on. 41. 34.
Oh, getting blown into the dock.
41. 31.
Dang it, I'm caught on your canoe.
31 again. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Whoa.
I'm so tired.
Oh,
We couldn't stop. You're on my tape. No. Wait, you got them all? What? That's not fair. You gotta use the canoe.
Boy, I have to be in my canoe? Oh, I'm disqualified?
Oh no.
That's like 31.
Where'd my pencil go?
Okay, I'm good. I got my depths. Ah, yes. Oh, jeez. Whew. Yes.
What?
Oh, jeez.
What do you do with my strap? What do you do with it? This ain't right.
What's he doing? What's he doing?
What? Hit my strap.
Yeah, I'm done. I got it. Somewhere. Okay. Whew. That's right. That's right.
That ain't right.
Seth, you were 12 minutes and 18 seconds. Gabe, you were 12 minutes and slower seconds.
I didn't have to step into the water.
All right. You know, just a couple thoughts. You're not ready for this. You're running with your shoe untied. You left your notebook in the sand next to the waves. You're lucky it didn't blow away. Let's compare these notes and let's see how things match up.
All right, it's 75 feet, 44 inches.
I got 60. Got 3 feet.
At 70 feet, 41 inches.
I had 3 feet.
What'd you have at 20 feet?
20 feet? Got 3 feet.
3 feet, 3 feet.
My handwriting
3 feet.
is illegible though.
I think he's making this up. 3 feet, 3 feet, 3 feet. So I do think that I won overall. My measurements were more accurate. He just wrote down 3 feet, 3 feet, 3 feet. You know, I actually got inch measurements, like 31 inches. And I didn't really cheat because it wasn't in the rules that you couldn't throw the other guy's strap. So someday maybe he can be a certified canoeer like his uncle, and then maybe he can get real measurements, you know.
Hey, your shoe's untied. You want me to get that for you?
I'll get you.
Need a hand?
Thanks, nephew.
Oh no, no, oh!